Nestled in the prestigious Fairway Point community in Rancho Bernardo, this exquisite custom estate at 12226 Kingsgate Square combines timeless elegance with modern luxury. Offering privacy and prestige, this four-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom home spans 3,104 square feet with a primary suite on the main level for comfortable single-level living. Energy efficiency is maximized with a fully owned solar system. A gourmet kitchen features premium appliances, leading to expansive family and living areas, perfect for relaxation and hosting. Step outside into a serene backyard with a tranquil fountain and sweeping city light views, providing a delightful backdrop for peaceful afternoons or enchanting evenings under the stars. Call Omid Megamfar at 8585-255-939 for a private tour.